Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today is okay, first of all, I'm sorry if it's kind of dark. I feel like it's dark. I'm gonna brighten it in editing, but like it's only like 3 o'clock and it just got kind of darker. Anyway, today I'm doing a video that I have been needing to do for a long time, but I haven't done it, so I'm just doing it today, right? Like I'm here, I look nice, I'm doing videos today, so I just decided to do this one. This will be my purse charm collection video, and this will also include charms that are on my purses currently, so I have to bring my purse over here. But this is the Ziploc bag that all my charms are in, minus the ones that are on my bags, because I only have one bag with silver hardware, so most of my silver charms are for that bag, so they just stay on that bag, you know what I mean? We're going to be going through all of my charms. I'll be showing you all of them, telling you where I got them, and yeah, so let's just get right into it. But before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my TikTok, my Pinterest, and my Instagram, which will be on the screen and linked in the pinned comments. Also, some of these charms are available on Amazon, even though the majority I didn't get from Amazon. Most of them can still be found on Amazon, so if you would like to purchase any of these, I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront, which will also be in the pinned comment. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So just starting from what's in here. I'll get my purses towards the end, but we're just going to start taking stuff out and going from there. So this first charm at the very top is my Melody cup charm, and you can like shake it up and she is like in there. I think she's like on a surfboard. Yeah, this is like one of the first bag charms I ever got, actually, and it's in the shape of a little cup. I got this from Five Below, and it doesn't necessarily go with anything I have now. I mean, it could. I'll see if I can use this on anything. It might actually look good on that bag that I'm looking at, so I might put it on there right now. But yeah, this is the first charm. Super cute with the glitter and stuff inside. Very cute. And my sister has this one too. Next, I have this bling heart charm. This came from 𝙬𝙤, but I know you can get this on Amazon as well. And it comes in various colors, and it is just really blingy and glittery. This is a charm I use a lot. This is my like puff, pom-pom, whatever you call it, charm with the little crown. The crown is great because I have a lot of Juicy Couture bags, and Juicy Couture, sometimes they use like crowns and stuff on their like packaging or whatever. So I use this a lot, and I also got this from 𝙬𝙤. Another puff charm, also from 𝙬𝙤. This pink puff in the shape of a heart. So this is super cute. Do y'all like my nails, by the way? They're really cute. I'm like upset though, because this here is supposed to be a gem like on this side, but like it fell off, and I literally just put these on yesterday. I don't know when it fell off either. Continuing, everybody knows about the Coach Cherry. Everybody. But everybody also knows that there are like endless amounts of dupes for the Coach Cherry. So I got this one in silver. This was for my Coach 𝘿𝙚𝙀, but I never actually put it on my 𝘿𝙚𝙀 because I don't really like the shade of pink this is. Like, it just doesn't fit, but I have this anyway. And I think I got this, actually, this one might be from Amazon. Next, I think this one is also a Coach dupe. I don't know. I think it's supposed to be a Coach dupe, but it is a strawberry. I do know Coach has a strawberry, but I don't think it looks like this. So I don't know, but it is super cute. And you know, it's like one of these because Coach charms have this. So I just assumed it was like a dupe, but I don't know anymore, but it is really high quality. So yeah, this came from 𝙬𝙤. Sticking with the strawberry theme, I also have these 3 strawberries here. These are so cute. I have to use these more, but these are also from 𝙤𝙤. I'm just gonna show these two because they're in here. They're not charms, but these are pocket back holders from Bath and Body Works. If you didn't know, Bath and Body Works, you know, they sell hand sanitizers, but they also sell hand sanitizer holders, and that is what the pocket back holders are. So I just have this plain black one, and then this cherry one. You can put your sanitizer in there. And then I also have this one that's really glittery. I think those are the only three I have, minus the one that's already on my bag. And a butterfly one, but that's over there, so I might get that later. All right, we have some pearl charms. This one clips onto your purse like from the front. So like one on the side, one on the side, you know what I mean? So like that. You can also clip it to like the side of a purse. I've seen people do that too, but I like this. This is also from 𝙤𝙤. Then I have this one. This one, the heart keeps flipping. I don't know why, but it's a bow and then the pearl piece here and then the pearl heart. And of course, like all of these are gold hardware because I'm a gold girly, seriously. People who like silver, I feel bad because it's like you have nothing, but like, oh man. These two came in a set. So I have this. This is an extender. So for example, for my Coach 𝑘𝙬𝙧𝙀𝙀, you can put this on and extend the shoulder strap to make it longer. So there's this one with the bows in silver and then this one in gold. Next, this one came in a set of 3. The other 2 are on my Victoria's Secret purse. I'll get that in a minute. But this one is silver with the butterflies on it and just really pretty details. I really like this one. But it's like my least favorite out of the 3. You know, that's why it's not on the purse. I could put it. You know, why not? So I might put that on. Okay, these next 2 charms are like 2 of my favorites. So first I have this pink cherry charm and it's all like blinged out, so pretty. And I got this from 𝙤𝙤. And then the back looks like this, but the front is really pretty. And then this next one is probably the most expensive charm I have. I got this from TJ Maxx and it was like, oh my god, like $25 or something. I don't know. Like it was, I don't know. It's a high quality charm, but I would not pay that much for this again. But the Hello Kitty head charm. You see it. It is really pretty and blingy. I want to say you can get this, or maybe not specifically, like something similar. You can also find at Claire's, probably for less. I've seen a My Melody one at Claire's. So like, yeah, but I think the My Melody and the Hello Kitty at Claire's are like in silver. So whatever, but yeah, this is a really pretty charm, but it was like so overpriced. All right, we're almost at the end. I'm really going fast, but I'm going fast because I've been recording all day, like different videos. Okay, this is one of the only charms that didn't come from Amazon or 𝙤𝙤 or an actual store. This is from, where did she get this? My mom got this from Fashion Nova, maybe? Or Forever 21? No, I think Fashion Nova. But I've seen different, like I've seen stuff like this before, basically. So you put it on your bag or your keychain or whatever, and it is a heart, but it like flips open and it's a mirror. So I thought that was pretty cool. You know, it has like 2 functions. All right, we're almost done. Oh, I have another pocket back holder. This is also one for my Victoria's Secret purse. It is just a silver one. Looks like that. That's actually really pretty. This one is another one of my favorites. My mom got this. I think this is also from TikTok Shop. It is a G. Is it backwards? Whatever, bro. It's a G, okay, because my name is Gabby. I never introduced myself. My name is Gabrielle, but you could call me Gabby. But this is a G, really pretty, and it has a butterfly and a little tassel. All right, last 2 in the bag. This is another purse extender. This one is gold with pink hearts. And then another pearl one. This one is similar to the other one. It has this part and then a smaller pearl heart. So yeah, that is all of the charms in the Ziploc bag. So right quick, before I end the video, I'm going to show you the charms that are on my purses currently. There's the purse I'm using right now, and then there's my Victoria's Secret purse. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So first I'm going to show you the Victoria's Secret purse. Dude, when I tell you, this purse is like my pride and joy. I love this purse so much. All of like the super like hyper feminine girlies on TikTok have this, and I have it too, and it just makes me feel included. Anyway, okay, the strap for the purse is inside the bag, by the way. But yeah, there's quite a few charms on here. So on the zipper pull, there is this little silver cherry charm, probably from 𝙤𝙤. Then my Victoria's Secret card holder and my Victoria's Secret wristlet, which are obviously from Victoria's Secret as well. And then these are the other two charms I was talking about that came in the set. So those two are on here from Amazon. And then my My Sweet Piano charm. This is from Amazon too. Isn't she so cute? Y'all have Labubu's. I have this. But I'll tell you this though. I want a Monchichi. I want a Monchichi. Monchichis are so cute. But I feel like people would make jokes of it. Like, Monchichis are like little baby monkeys. Do you see where I'm going with this? What would people say about me if I had like a little baby monkey on my back? They'd be like, oh, child, she a monkey with a monkey. Like, I already know. I don't care. I'm gonna get it anyway, but like, I already know. And this bag, oh, there's hair in my mouth. Ugh. So I just did a what's in my bag with this bag. So if you've already seen that, disregard this part. But I have this charm. It's one of the ones that attach to both sides. This is from 𝙤𝙤 with the gold cherries. This charm, super pretty. You can see it. Yeah, this charm is from TJ Maxx. It may or may not be Piper K. I don't remember. And then this pocket back holder from Bath & Body Works, of course. I think I got this for my birthday last year, so that is super, super cute. And I have a sanitizer in here right now. So yeah, that is all of my charms, I think. Oh, I can show you the, right quick, the butterfly sanitizer holder. It's not too special, but I just thought I'd show you anyway since I showed the other ones. Here it is. I really like this one. The sanitizer would go in this part. The only problem with this though is that like the sanitizer, when it's in here, it will like slide. And I get scared because I don't want the sanitizer to like fall out. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you just have to position it right. I'm not sure. But still, this is really, really cute. I think I might use this on the bag I'm going to use next, my Juicy Couture satchel. So yeah, super cute. And that is the end of this video. Just a little, you know, quick bag charm collection. I feel like I have a lot. I don't know. I don't have as much as my mom though. Dude, my mom has so many. She also did a bag charm collection. I will put it in the description if you're curious. But she has a lot. So I don't have as much as her, but I certainly have a lot. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, comment your thoughts, share the video with your friends and family, and once again, check out my Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram on the screen and in the pinned comment. Any of the bag charms that I'm able to find will be linked in my Amazon storefront. And that's it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!